In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Argos code. If you're looking to save on your Argos order, this walkthrough will show you how to quickly find and apply a working discount code using a trusted coupon aggregator. We'll keep it simple, and I'll share a few tips so you know what to look for and how to troubleshoot if a code doesn't work. Start by opening your web browser and searching for coupon follow. You'll likely see ads and similar sounding sites, so double check you're heading to couponfollow.com. This site collects promo codes from the community and brands, and it's a good first stop when you want a quick discount without signing up for anything. Once you're on the homepage, use the site's search bar and type Argos. You're looking for the Argos store page, which groups all current codes and deals in one place. Click through to that page to see everything available right now. On the Argos page, scroll down to browse the listings. You'll usually see a mix of codes and deal offers. Codes require you to enter a string at checkout, while deals may auto-apply on the retailer's site. Pay attention to labels like verified or notes about how recently a code was tested. Also, scan any fine print for expiration dates, minimum spend, or product exclusions. Many retailer codes are region-specific and sometimes only work for certain categories. When you spot a code that matches your order, click the button that says Show Coupon Code. This will reveal the code and may open a new tab to Argos in the background. Keep both tabs open so you can grab the code and continue shopping. Some pages automatically copy the code to your clipboard. If not, select the code and copy it manually so you're ready to paste it later. If there's a copy button, click it to ensure the code is saved to your clipboard. It's a good idea to glance at the code after copying just to confirm it's captured correctly with no extra spaces. Now head to your Argos basket or checkout page and look for the promo code or voucher box before you place your order. Paste the code, apply it, and check that your total updates. If it doesn't work, try another code from the list and double check the terms. Things like minimum spend, delivery charges, or excluded brands can block a discount. Remember that most orders accept only one code at a time. That's it. With these steps, you can quickly find and apply an Argos code and make sure you're not leaving savings behind at checkout.